Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn what is the factorial of number, how to find the factorial of number. This is most asked beginner friendly interview question. How to find a factorial of number. Factorial of number n is the product of all the positive integers less than or equal to n. It's written as n and exclamatory mark. For example, if you want to find a 5 factorial, means we need to go from 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Product of all those number, we will get a factorial of that number. If you do the product of all those things, then we will get a factorial of number. Let's go and see how to do the coding part. How we can write a code using Java. Let's get started. Right click on this new class, Factorial. Of number. Then click on public static void main string of ours. Then we will start. We will take our input from the user. So that take scanner scan equal to new scanner system.in, then semicolon, then import the scanner. Then we will print one sentence. Enter the number to find factorial. Then scan dot next int. We will store this entered integer in one variable called as num. It is of the type integer, so we are giving int. Then we will take one more variable, int factorial fact equal to 1. So we will take one for loop for int I equal to, we will start from number. Okay, num. You can take from 1 also. I will take num and I is greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. See here, we are starting from the number. Then we are decrementing it using I minus minus. We will go up to 1, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that we are going. Then we will multiplying a number with factorial. We will store it in fact. Like we will take a, I will explain you. Wait once again. We will run this. Okay, we will give one sentence to print the factorial. Sys out, enter. Then factorial of the number num is plus fact. Let's save and run. Okay. Enter the number to find the factorial. We will give 5. Okay, you need to give outside, that's why it's showing here plus fact. Okay, next run. Enter the number to find a factorial. 5. Factorial of 5 is 120. We will run once again. We will give 4. Say factorial of 4 is 24. This is how we are going to find the factorial. Means we will take a 5 here. Let's take 5. Then 5 is greater than or equal to 1, right? Condition is true, so we are coming inside this for loop. And I consisting of 5, right? 5 into factorial, what it has 1, right? 1 into 5 is 5. We are storing 5 inside a factorial. Then we are decrementing the 5. If we decrement that, we will get a 4, right? We are going to check here. 4 is greater than or equal to 1, right? Condition is true. So we are coming inside this for loop. I consisting of 4, right? 4 star. In factorial, what we are having? In factorial, we are having 5, right? 5 star 4. Then we will get 20. 20 will be stored in fact. Now we are decrementing a I. I value is 3, right? If we decrement this one, 3 greater than or equal to 1, right? Condition is true. So we are coming inside this for loop. I consisting of 3, right? 3 factorial. Factorial, what we are having in fact we are having 20, right? 20 and 3, if we multiply this one, we will get a 60, right? In fact, we are storing 60. Then we are decrementing a I value. I value is 2, right? 2 greater than or equal to 1. Condition is true. So we are coming inside this for loop. And I consisting of 2, right? 2 into, in fact, what we are having? In fact, we are having 60, right? If we are multiplying it, then we will get 120. In fact, we are having 120, then we will decrement the I value. I is 1 now. 1 greater than or equal to 1. Condition is true. So we are coming inside this loop, and then 1 star of 120 is 120, right? Now factorial consisting of 120. That is how we are going to find. See here, 120. This is about how we are going to find a factorial of a number. This is usually asked in the interview, especially for the beginners. Thank you. See you in the next. If you have any doubts, please comment below. See you in the next.